Look at this blizzard out here. I got 25 minutes left to go. I'm going up to the top of Beach Mountain. You almost think we're in Canada, eh? If I were you, I would go ahead and push one of those like buttons. I kind of figured that we wouldn't have any more days like this until, you know, next winter. This is probably the last cold day of the whole winter, so I'm trying to get some footage. I'm just a wallflower on the internet. You can look, but you can't touch. I know y'all watching. This is crazy, dog. Damn. This is very treacherous. It's March the 12th. There's only 9 days left of winter anyway, so this should be gone pretty soon. I'm actually filming with the GoPro Hero 4. I haven't even upgraded. And you know what? I don't care if this channel takes off or not. So guess what? We're stuck with the 4. I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys don't even have to subscribe. In fact, I'm gonna just keep vlogging with the GoPro Hero 4. Well, thanks for watching the video. Just kidding, I don't care if you watched it or not. I had so much fun making it. I know you liked it. If you say you don't like it, well, you're probably lying because you actually liked this video. More to come. Stay tuned. Roll over the week.